So welcome back to Campus Tech. I have Samsung A13 on my desk. Let's remove the SIM tray first, and this phone has body is little bent. The frame is bent, so it's just coming out from the bottom. So I started from the bottom and just disconnect it. And before this, just make sure this power button is detached from the body, from the back cover. Otherwise, you will break that flex. So after unscrew everything, so just take out the back pieces from the bottom and the top. So this is the main thing. So just remove the battery first, and here's a charging port, and it has a one screw on the bottom. I found that thing. Just remove it, and one screw you'll find there on the top. So these two screws and this will come out like easy, and disconnect the main screen connector. Here's the one piece on the top and the one from the bottom. I just took it out. So here's the Taptic engine. So let's put some rubbing alcohol to melt the glue while I'm working on the other stuff. So just take out that thing, which is Taptic engine. Here is the earpiece. So these both came out. I think nothing left on the screen other than this, but for the safe side, I'm just taking out this volume buttons. So look at this. It's kind of just put some oh, that thing, I was just forget that thing. So this is a big speaker, so just remove this volume buttons from there. So only the battery is left, so just leave for a moment, and let's bring the new screen. In fact, just take out the battery. So I just already removed the battery, so it's easy. So after that, here's a new screen which I got, and that's kind of easy and simple repair from the Samsung, which I like. Some stuff of the Samsung are very easy. So let's put those stuff back. Oh sorry, I just forget the Taptic and the earpiece. So just put the earpiece first and then the Taptic engine, and here we go. So let's put the big speaker back into the place, and volume button. Yeah, see, it has no volume button, so I have to take out from the whole screen. So this time for the motherboard and the wall charging flex, which I link together. Here's the battery. Oh, this is coming down, so be careful, take it out. And here we go. So the main connector, right now I'm connecting. After this, connect the battery. This is a back piece. Actually, this come with this, which hold your power button onto the back plate. So put this thing here, and after this, look at this, you make sure it's clicking properly. And after this, put the plastic back on the top and the bottom, screw everything, and put this plastic back. And after this, while I'm putting back, it just turns on. Make sure it's working before final packing. So it turns on, which means the LCD has a good display. And so just properly push, and on the side, look at this, the touch is working. If you like that video, thumbs up, and see you in the next video.